Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to move an image inside a frame in Canva. This is useful when we want to adjust the positioning of a photo within a shape or layout to get the perfect look. Let's get started. First, we will add the frame. To add a frame, all we have to do is click this element on the left side of the dashboard. In this section, we just need to type frame here. Then, we will choose from the different kinds of frames available. Once we have chosen the frame we prefer, all we have to do is click the frame we want to add. For example, this one. Now, let's add an image. We can go to Uploads and select an image. For example, we will add this image to the frame. As we can see, we can now adjust the image to fit exactly to the frame. Let's make those adjustments. Once we are done, click Save. That's how we move an image inside a frame in Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can perfectly position our images and improve our designs.